In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Bookmap Workspace. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable setup that opens exactly the way you want every time. A workspace in Bookmap is your complete layout. All open charts, your heatmap configuration, any indicators and add-ons, subcharts and panels, and even your connection setup. Once you dial it in, you can save it so Bookmap launches with the same arrangement on the next start. Let's begin by opening Bookmap and arranging the layout. Start by adding your instruments. Click the plus button in the top left, choose your market or data feed, type the symbol you want, and click subscribe. Repeat this for every instrument you want included in the workspace so everything loads together later. Next, arrange your chart windows. Drag each chart to the exact spot you want, and feel free to open multiple tabs or detach windows if you prefer a multi-monitor setup. Resize panels and charts until the key information is front and center. If you use several charts, consider enabling chart synchronization so time and price scales stay aligned across windows, which makes comparing instruments and timeframes much easier. Now customize what's visible on your charts. Go to Settings, then Configure Visible Components. Here you can toggle elements like the heatmap, volume dots, subcharts, and the DOM panel. Turn off anything you don't need to reduce clutter, and turn on what you rely on most. For example, if you're focused on liquidity and order flow, keep the heatmap and DOM panel visible. If you prefer a cleaner view, hide less relevant components. If you use indicators or add-ons, turn them on next. Go to Settings, then Configure Add-ons. Load or enable the indicators you want to see. Some add-ons require a restart of Bookmap to activate, especially right after installation, so don't worry if they don't appear immediately. Once enabled, you can fine-tune their settings to match your trading style. With everything arranged and customized, it's time to save the workspace. Open the File menu at the top left and choose Save Workspace, or use Save Workspace. As if you're creating a new version, give it a clear name and pick a folder you'll remember, then click Save. This captures your open charts, settings, indicators, and layout configurations so they reload exactly as they are now. When you want to load a saved workspace or switch between setups, go to File, then Open Workspace. Select the workspace file and click Open. Bookmap will restore your charts, instruments, panel layout, and settings in one step. That's it. Your workspace is now set up, saved, and ready to use.